Wow, I got the big box today. Hey everybody, I did an experiment. Generally, you wouldn't mail order something like this and expect it to make it through the mail system undamaged. But, oh, these. I bought a $200 classical guitar in the mail. Now, it's hard to find a guitar at that price point anywhere. So, we'll see how this works. Now, this is a just new guitar out by Cordoba. They call it the Cordoba Protege Matiz guitar. And they have the nice, fun colors on the faceplates. I ordered it through Musician's Friend. We'll see how they did. So it's packed pretty well. It's got plenty of packing around it. You know, ordering a guitar in the mail, I would never do this with an expensive guitar. But I figure this is a nylon string guitar, and nylon string guitars are great for beginning guitars because you get more playtime. And they're easier on the fingers. You can do a lot of chord melody work, a lot of finger picking work. You can do a variety of styles. Kind of excited to see what it looks like. I often find used inexpensive guitars at the guitar shop, and I'll pick one up to have one on hand. And occasionally I'll give one away to a student, just to get them started on a guitar. Very nice cover. It's a recycled case, made out of recycled materials. He gave us a little brochure here, an owner's manual. I know what it says in the owner's manual. Play. It's the only way you learn anything. And they gave me an Allen wrench for adjusting the neck. Now that doesn't bode well. Usually if I'm in a guitar shop, if I hear buzz on a guitar, I just move on. It's kind of inexcusable for a guitar shop to be hanging up guitars in there for playing. Anyway, this Cordoba Matiz has mahogany sides and a spruce top, as I was told. Oh, they've nicely wrapped it. So it comes in a padded case also. Again, I just don't see how you could ship something in the mail and assume it's not going to be damaged somehow. Let's get this all off. I'd kind of forgotten what it looked like when I ordered it. You see the aqua color. This is the aqua colored version. I see they kind of match the case with the color. Paper on there. Oh, definitely not in tune. Well, let's give it a look over. See, there doesn't seem to be any cracks or anything in it. Natural wood here. It's kind of a painted rosette, so they took a shortcut there. Mahogany, spruce top with a laminate cover. That'll hold up pretty well. Tuning pegs look pretty good. Let's get my guitar tuner. I like these little super snark tuners. Put that on there and see where we're at. That sounds pretty good. So we'll see how well it stays in tune once we get it in. Oh, okay. A little bit of buzziness on the A string. Let me sit down with it over here. A nylon string guitar at this price point seems pretty good. Very nice. Alright, so we got a buzzing G string when you play an A. So sometimes buzzing can be taken care of by just putting on better strings. I usually have a set of strings that I put on every guitar. Medium gauge usually for the classical, even a heavy gauge for the high notes, the labella highs. It's not too quiet. It's pretty. It has a good volume. Let's give it another tune up. So the heavier gauge strings would increase the tension and maybe pull the neck just enough to bring the buzz out. So the buzz goes away, I should say. You can't smell it like I can. Yeah, nice wood. Yeah. So I think it could cover chord melody work. Classical music could be played on it. If you could play classical music. I think it's all full width, nothing small about it, so it's not student's body size or anything. It looks like it's all, like most of my other classical guitars. I think I would give this a thumbs up. I will definitely try adjusting well, first I'll put different strings on it, and then I'll try adjusting the nut. The nut that adjusts the neck part is right there, so you use that Allen wrench to go in there. Depending on what you want to do, if you want to pull the neck this way, then what you would do is you would increase the gap. So it's the difference between how much action you want versus getting rid of the buzz. The other way to adjust for buzz is to increase the height of the bridge, and you can certainly experiment with that also. So flamenco, let's see what it would sound like if you're hitting it like a flamenco guitarist would hit. So yeah, I think I give it a thumbs up. So this is the Cordoba Protege Matiz version. It is a Chinese-made guitar. It's not made in Spain. So the craftsmanship looks pretty good for that price point. I would recommend it to a student just beginning guitar. This is a $200 guitar, and I think I paid $7 shipping, normal shipping, but you can probably pick it up in your Guitar Center stores, etc. And the experiment of shipping a guitar through the mail, I guess that worked fine, but I just wouldn't chance it. If I were looking at $1,000 guitar or above, I doubt if I would ship it by the mail. I would travel to its point of origin and pick it up there so I can maintain quality during transport. That's all I have. See you next time, folks.